Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Wuchang pollen feathers crashing, not launching, stuck on loading screen, freezing or black screen issue on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. The first solution is to simply restart your PC. To do so, click on Windows icon, then click on restart option, and once your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check. Second solution is to update graphic card driver. Type device manager in Windows search and open it. Expand display adapter. Right click on your graphic card and select update driver. Then click on search automatically for driver. After updating the graphic card drivers, you can launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you can perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. To do so, if you are NVIDIA user, then go to NVIDIA official website. AMD user, then go to AMD official site. I am showing the example of NVIDIA driver. Here select your graphic card models and then click on find. Click on view. Then click on download. Once it is downloaded, then run the executable files and perform a clean installation of your driver. Link for installing the drivers is given in video description. And after performing a clean installation of graphic card driver, you can launch the game and check. Third solution is to update Windows. To do so, click on Windows icon, then click on settings, click on Windows update on the left, and then click on check for updates. If there are any updates available, then download and install them, then launch the game and check. Fourth solution is to modify game launch option. For this, you have to open the Steam, then go to library, right click on Wuchang pollen feathers game and select properties. In the launch option, type -dx11 and close the tab. Then you can launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you can type -dx12 in launch option and then check. If still a problem is not solved, then remove the command from the launch option and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fifth solution is to run the game on dedicated graphic cards. To do so, in Windows search type graphics settings and open it. Click on add desktop app and browse to C drive program files x86 Steam apps common Wuchang pollen feathers folder. Then open project flag folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Here select project flag Win64 shipping exe file and click on add. After adding it, expand it, click on drop down next to GPU preference and select high performance. Then launch the game and check. Sixth solution is to rename or delete the sl.pcl.dll file. But before that, please make a backup of this file on desktop. So to delete it, open Steam, go to library, right click on Wuchang pollen feathers game and click on manage browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Then open engine folder, plugins folder, runtime, NVIDIA, streamline, binaries, third parties, Win64 folder. Here right click on slpcl.dll files and select delete to delete it. After deleting it, launch the game and check. If you do not want to delete it, then you can simply rename it to sl.pcl.dll.old and then launch the game and check. Seventh solution is to delete the Wuchang pollen feathers config folder. Please note that all saved settings will be lost. You will lose saved game files, hence keep the backup of this folder to the desktop first. Now go to C drive, users, your username folder, open app data folder. If you don't see app data, click on view, show hidden items, then open local folder, project flag folder, saved folder. Here right click on config folder and delete it. Now you can launch the game and check. Eighth solution is to install DirectX end user runtime web installer. For this, you have to visit this Microsoft official website. Link is given in video description. Download and install DirectX end user runtime web installer. Then launch the game and check. Ninth solution is to install Visual C++ files. Again, go to this official Microsoft website, link given in video description. Download and install both x86 and s64 Visual C++ files and install it. Then restart your PC Then launch the game and see if problem solved or not. 10th solution is to run the game as an administrator. Open Steam, go to library, right click on Wuchang Fallen Feathers and click on manage browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Then open project Plague binaries Win64 folder. Here right click on project Plague Win64 shipping exe file and select properties. Then go to compatibility tab and tick mark run this program as an administrator. Hit apply, OK. Now launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and then check. If it's still not working, then you can modify the compatibility settings. For this, tick mark run this program in compatibility mode 4 and select Windows 8 and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then also you can select Windows 7 and then launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then you can also select disable full screen optimization, hit apply, OK, and then you can launch the game and check. However, if checking all this box and your problem is not solved, then you can uncheck all these boxes in compatibility tab and hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. 12th solution is to allow Wuchang Fallen Feathers through firewall or antivirus program. In Windows search for Windows Security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down and click on manage ransomware protection. Then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click on add an allowed app. Click on browse all apps. Now browse to C program files x86, Steam app, commons, Wuchang Fallen Feathers folder. Select project Plague exe file and click open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app. Click on browse all apps and browse to game installation folder. Select project Plague Win64 shipping exe file. Click open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app. Click on browse all apps and browse to game installation folder. Open project Plague folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select project Plague deck minus shipping exe file and click open to add it to the list. Next in Windows search, type Windows Security and click on it. Click on firewall and network protection and then click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change setting, then click on allow another app, then click on browse and browse to game installation folder. Here select project Plague exe file and add it to the list. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked. Again click on allow another app and browse to game installation folder. Open project Plague folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select project Plague Win64 shipping exe file and click open to add it to the list. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked. Again click on allow another app and browse to game installation folder. Open project Plague binaries Win64 folder. This time select project Plague deck minus shipping exe file and click open to add it to the list. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked. Then click on OK to save changes. Also allow Wuchang Fallen Feathers through antivirus program. So if you have installed any third-party antivirus program such as Avast, McAfee, Kaspersky, EVG, Bitdefender, etc., or you can simply disable your antivirus program while playing the games and then launch the game and check. 13th solution is to verify game files. To do so, open Steam and go to library. Right click on Wuchang Fallen Feathers and select properties. Go to installed files tab and click on verify integrity of game files. After the verification, you can launch the game and check. 14th solution is to close the conflicting or unnecessary programs. Simply disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick, controller or multiple monitor connected to PC. Unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel and the task of MSI, Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of the tab to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Next solution is to disable overlays. Disable Steam overlay. Go to your Steam library, right click on Wuchang Fallen Feathers, select properties and turn off enable the Steam overlay while in game. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. If you are able to launch the game, then you can try this fix, or else you can skip it. You should check for graphics settings such as resolution, graphics, etc. If you have turned on or set it to highest possible settings and the game is crashing, lagging, or you are facing any other problem, then you should lower it to fix the issue. 17th solution is to update BIOS. If your problem is not solved yet, then you should check for BIOS update. You can update the BIOS through your PC or laptop manufacturer official website. After updating the BIOS, you can launch the game and check if the issue is resolved or not. Finally, the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall Wuchang Fallen Feathers. If none of the solution work for you, then uninstall Wuchang Fallen Feathers game from your PC, then restart your PC, fresh reinstall the game. You can either install in C drive or another SSD drive and then check. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.